Hello friends, welcome to our software testing sapiens YouTube channel. So today we are going to see software testing jobs in India, but before that I will walk you through our website called software testing sapiens. And in our website we are posting daily jobs for freshers, for work from home jobs and manual testing jobs, automation jobs for the software testing field. So let's get started. Open Google and you can enter software testing sapiens here. uh, Sorry, and hit enter. Yeah, you can see the first website, that is softwaretestingsapiens.com. Click on it. Yeah, if you are a new user you will see this pop up. You have to just click on allow to get the future notifications, and if you want to get the email notification for the daily job updates, you can fill this form and click on subscribe button. Okay, and next part is, you can see we have multiple options inside jobs page, like work from home, remote, QA jobs, freshers, IT jobs, QA experience jobs. So today we are going to see QA experience jobs, and we have posted for manual testing and automation testing jobs. So these are the jobs for the day. You can see city wise we have categorized all the jobs. If you want to see jobs for Hyderabad, Pune, NCR, so these are the cities we have mentioned. You have to just click on the link, any of the link. If you click on the Bangalore location, then yes, to navigate you to the specific location, right? Jobs in Bangalore location, likewise you can do that. And next I have added on the top, join us on Telegram, because on Telegram we are posting jobs as well, plus some study material. It's free of cost. We are posting some resume templates as well, so you can download those templates, you can modify it, right? Just click on join us on Telegram. We are around 6,000 plus users. You can preview our channel. Just a moment. So this is our profile. We have around 6,000 subscribers, photos, videos, like daily we are posting some jobs. This is our achievement till now for our YouTube channel. But yeah, likewise some LinkedIn, a very latest job post we are doing on our Telegram group. Okay, you can make use of it by joining this group. So next part is second button, that is subscribe to our LinkedIn newsletters. So on newsletter also we are posting our jobs, some articles we are posting, so you can make use of it, right? So just you have to click on join to subscribe, and these are some posts you will get notified whenever we do post on our LinkedIn. Okay, so you can see some YouTube videos I have posted. This you can just play around. Some work from home jobs. That's it. So let's get started with our today's latest jobs.